So what's the purpose of NGL ID then? Here, if I just upgraded to NGL Pro and then I just did this screenshot for you guys, like which hints can you see here? Well, I can't. So here it is, NGL ID. Just basically, this is it's like 6 symbols, letters and numbers, and you just have them here. It's not tied to Instagram username. So if you think that, well, I upgraded, I got NGL ID, and now I can easily get and tie it to Instagram username, that just doesn't work like that, unfortunately. So nope, you can't tie it to your Instagram username or to any other. You can't check out NGL ID for your friends. So yeah, it's quite unusable. But at least what you can use it for, as I understand, is at least for grouping different messages. So like it's very helpful when one person sent you like 2, 3 or more messages on NGL. And with help of NGL ID, you will be able to see that these messages were sent from one person. And then if that person used like 2 different phones, like Android and iPhone, then you know, like, okay, I have a friend who has both iPhone and Android. That can be additional hint for you. Or that person sent like, you know, like, okay, these are 3 messages. They're all sent from one NGL ID, meaning the one person sent them. And 2 of the messages are sent from New York, and one first like message, for example, sent from London. And you have a friend who is like commuting in these places or like whatever. So my point is, with NGL ID, you can just group all these different messages, and this way you can get some additional hints who sent you the message. So that's that.